permission. Whose is that? Whose food is that? Hmm? And what is that? Yes. What is that? What is that in your mouth, huh? Where did you get that again? Did you ask permission? That's from Mama. You ask permission from Mama? Huh? Did you ask permission? That's hers. Where's Mama? I'll ask Mama. Star has the potato chips. Is that okay if she eats the potato chips? Okay. So, it's a good thing. Mama said you can eat that. Okay. No. I'm going to take that thing. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. I'll take the rubber band. Do not eat the wrapper. Yeah, that's yours. No, that's yours. That's yours. I just want to take the rubber band so you don't have to eat the wrapper, okay? You can open it. You want me to open it for you? Mama said you can have it. No, it's yours. No.
Smart diaper. Smart ka talaga. Pagkato. Smart.
You beat me. Don't bite me. It's yours. I'm not going to get it.
Smart talaga.
I'm not going to take it from you. Look, you bite me.
Yes, smart. Ano natin na, basta nakaroon na lang pa. Yan mo, basta tatlo na.